Now the House has elected a new speaker. You can call and congratulate him. I'm ready to work with him or any Republican Congress to make progress on the American.
There's clearly some dementia. He's not lucid.
For the American people.
For the American people.
Okay.
Starting last week, if Big Pharma raises prices faster than inflation, they're going to face big penalties.
Boy, if that isn't the pot calling the kettle black.
Starting last week, Americans can get tax credits.
Americans can get tax credits.
Americans can get tax credits.
What the hell are you talking about?
And the lawyers arranged for the Department of Justice to take possession of the document. So we're going to see all this.
This is what a liar looks like. Take a mental picture.
Wait, what?
Unfold. I'm confident. Thank you very much. Thank you.